In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to click on system. Then select gestures, tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it. It will only work though if you are using gesture navigation. Make sure that pull screen into reach is on and follow all of those instructions. So when I swipe down, I can see that one-handed mode is on. To go back, you can swipe up or click on gray area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. If you are using trickiest navigation though, you need to scroll all the way down and click on this switcher instead, next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then choose Got It and enter one-handed mode by tapping on this shortcut. You can also click on it to go back. Or just tap on this area at the top again. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!